The success of any machine manufacturing business is driven by the quality of its service organization. With distributed customers, there are many challenges in keeping track of service activities, service tickets, service hours, warranty and AMC expiry, preventive maintenance, spares required or recommended, service engineer productivity. The above challenges cannot be addressed by using WhatsApp groups, paper reports, and Google Sheets. We are introducing Froid Sales and Service App that takes any service organization to the next level. For your team, we ensure seamless experience with web and Android. Froid App features custom dashboards and workflows, business intelligence, works offline, stores and WhatsApp integration, and more. Froid App also has standard service app features, service tickets, time tracking, detailed PDF reports, service and spares quotes, and more. Supported by a specialized team always available to assist you, we offer the best customizable service and sales app to suit your requirements. Welcome to Froid App.